I am trying a 2-color nougat. We'll see if this works. I don't know if it will. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, let's see, I need 3 of these. Or half a bag of white chocolate if you want, whichever one. I just happen to have this on hand. Okay, so I'm doing that, plus my marshmallow. Okay, I'm gonna get this started first with my half a tablespoon of butter. So a pat, that's a pat of butter. Okay, so I'm gonna microwave this for about 45 seconds first to get this softened. Okay, so now what I'm using is these sweet and sour heart candies for like $1. Aren't those cute? So I thought that would be perfect for Valentine's Day. Perfect, perfect. But I've never made 2 colors with the nougat, so we're gonna give that a try. So I have that started. I'm gonna do a half a bag marshmallows. And then I've got these hot pink candy melts. I'm gonna give these a try. Those are good. Oh man, I love white chocolate. Okay, now take some of our hearts. Let's blend it in. Okay, so now I'm going to, I am offering my Valentine on a Dime ebook for free. Go get our Valentine on a Dime ebook. We give you lots of money-saving tips to help you make Valentine's Day frugal and fun. The coupon code and the link is in the description below. Here's how you get it for free. livingonadime.com, click on our shop, click on our ebooks, add it to your cart. When you go to checkout, use the coupon code and you will get our ebook absolutely free with no obligation and no strings attached. Visit us at livingonadime.com. Wasn't gonna do parchment, but I don't trust it. Okay, so we're gonna blend. Oops. Okay, so we're just gonna kind of flop that in there all over. I'm gonna try and get as much of this out so it doesn't burn next time I microwave. Okay, so there we go. Now I'm gonna take another tablespoon, or no, another half a tablespoon of butter. Then half my wafers. Okay, gonna start those melting. Okay. So these have started melting. I'm gonna add the other half of my bag of marshmallows. Gonna microwave that. Got this melted. About 30 seconds each. Each one was about a minute to a minute and a half, depends. The blocks were a little bit longer than the wafers. Oh wow, look at how pretty that is. Oh man, I love that. Okay, let's get this all mixed. Now I'm gonna add some candies. Now I used 2 bags of these candies. They're 4 ounces each. And somebody said the sweet and sour ones are the really good ones. Oops, I need a couple more for on top. There. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix these in. So here's what I think I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna take this out. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm just going for it because I'm Taran. That's what I do. Okay. So I think what I'm gonna do is take this out and just kind of go all over. Then what I think I'm going to do is just kind of mush it all together. Just kind of see what happens here. Okay. Now, all over. Got a wrapper from another recipe here that I store them in the fridge. I don't know if I like that hot pink or not. I wish there was more white in it. Oh, shoot. Well, we'll see what happens. Okay. Now, there. Put some of these in. See what happens. Okay. All right, we'll see how this turns out. Oh, it's kind of pretty. I wish it had more white in it. I wonder. Wonder if I added some sprinkles. I think I'll just leave it like this and let's see what happens. Okay, we're gonna let this set up and then we will come cut it. Okay, it is about 26 degrees outside here in Wyoming, so I set this outside for about 10 minutes. And it's set up. Ooh, okay, so use the parchment, guys, because it will stick, or grease your pan. Okay. Oh, you know what I should have done? I should have put the hearts in a row so that I could have got a heart in every candy. Well, okay, live and learn. Do it this way. Make these larger chunks to get some of them with a full heart for my. Wow, these bigger hearts are harder to cut. So the harder ones are, the bigger hearts are harder to cut. So I would strategically put them in there. And then it's easier. Okay. So, I don't know, this color's okay. I would probably pick the white because my hearts would have stood out better. So my disappointment is immeasurable and my day is ruined, as my son likes to say. Comment, guys, and let me know. Would you do all white? I think I would do all white. Cream cheese fudge, adding my white chocolate chips or almond bark or baking bars, whatever white chocolate you have or want. Easter bunnies, white chocolate Easter bunnies left over from Easter would also work. Okay. 32 ounces of chocolate, white chocolate, and 1 8-ounce brick of cream cheese, and we're gonna melt this. All right, while that is melting in the microwave, I've got some cherries here. Now you could use nuts, cherries, whatever you want, but I've got some cherries that are the maraschino cherries, and I'm drying those off so that they aren't so moist in my fudge. All right, I'm stirring my cream cheese and my chips every 30 seconds or so, 30, 45 seconds, so they don't burn. You just want it as dry as possible, otherwise your fudge can kind of get too moist and not stick together. You can also use candied cherries, walnuts, almonds, pecans, pistachios, whatever flavor you want. Oh, wow, that smells delicious. Now, you do not have to add this, but I like a cheesecakey flavor. So I'm gonna add just a tiny bit, about a half a teaspoon of lemon extract because I like a cheesecake. I like everything that tastes like cheesecake, and adding that little bit of lemon gives it that taste. All right, now I am going to dump about 3/4 of these cherries in there. Leave a few to decorate the top. Get this all mixed in. Ooh, that looks festive. This is an easy 3 or 4 ingredient fudge, just depending on what add-ins you do. Okay, now we're gonna let this set up, and then we're gonna come back and cut it. Cherry cream cheese fudge. Oh my, or cherry cheesecake fudge, I should say. Okay, this is a test recipe. So Mike is standing here getting ready to test it. He doesn't know it. But we shall see if it is living on a dime worthy, or excuse me, super easy recipes worthy. Wrong channel.
Is it a super easy recipe?
Yes, it is. But I may have messed it up.
So it's not as easy as you thought.
No, and I just cut it all wrong too. Shoot. Did not mean to do that.
Well, if you cut it about each piece about in thirds, then it would be a 100-calorie recipe.
There you go. Cherry cheesecake fudge.
Ooh, it looks like cheese.
Cherry cream cheese fudge. I don't know what to call this one.
Smells like cheesecake.
Does it? Does it taste like cheesecake?
Mmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I don't have my makeup on, so I'm just
I got a big bite of the cherry, which is why I was slightly delayed. You want me to turn it so you can see?
No, because I don't have my makeup on.
I don't have my makeup on either. I'm still on camera.
Thank you for not having your makeup on. I appreciate that. Okay.
Let me try a piece
Cherry?
that's not the cherry.
Cherry cheesecake fudge or cream cheese fudge? Cream cheese fudge. But it does have a cheesecakey flavor.
It does. Yep. Mm-hmm.
We'll call it cream cheese fudge, but it has a cheesecakey flavor.